Dear souls, Venus entered Aquarius on February 16th, 2024, and its effects will last until March 12th, 2024. This transit brings significant changes in love, beauty, money, and pleasure. Aquarius represents freedom, innovation, and friendly relationships. During Venus in Aquarius, we will seek more freedom and independence in romantic relationships. Discovering common interests with our partner and trying new things together will become essential. In love and relationships, friendships and socializing will play a significant role in our love lives. Singles may be attracted to unique, independent, intelligent, and strong individuals. We will have a more objective and analytical perspective in relationships. It is a time to invest in your personal space and home. In money and finances, this may be a favorable time to invest in creative and innovative projects. Money-making opportunities may arise through friends or social circles. We will desire more freedom and independence in financial matters. In beauty and aesthetics, we may want to embrace a different and unique style. The use of technology in beauty and aesthetics may increase during this period. Experimental and innovative beauty trends may come to the fore. During this period, we will find more opportunities to express our creativity and originality. The cycle that made us feel limited and confined is coming to an end. Which signs will be luckier while Venus is in Aquarius? Dear Gemini, this will be a fortunate period for you in terms of love, money, and beauty. You can start new relationships, strengthen existing ones, gain financial rewards, and improve your sense of style. Dear Libra, Venus is the ruling planet of Libra. Therefore, Libras will be more charming and charismatic than ever during Venus in Aquarius. They will be very lucky in their love lives and social circles. Dear Aquarius, you will be one of the most affected signs by this transit. You will be very lucky in your love life and social circles. Your creativity and originality will increase. I hope we all make the most of the Venus in Aquarius transit. Stay with love and light.